Hi guys, what's up? James and Buddy Adventures. Alright guys, I just did some off camera and I'm so excited. Also guys, before we start, I did this Battle Cat picture. Guys, what do you think? Okay. Oops, technical difficulties. Guys, look, if we get this rare capsule, please give me Rocket Cat. Just please. I really want him. Oh, guys, a super rare. Ooh, Eastern Echo. Okay, sent to cat storage. Guys, we're gonna go to tomato. Ooh, hello, yeah. There. Oh, thanks for the XP, dude. Yeah, just rewards. Okay. Look at this. Oh, I guess he's not gonna appear now. Okay, guys. What's this? Okay, guys, we're gonna start. Let's see what this super rare is first. Let's go see. First, let's storage. Yeah. Whoopsies. Ooh, we're definitely using it. Ooh, are you sure? Yeah. Thanks, dude. Thanks. Like, bro. Ooh, wow. Menu. Cat got, you know what? I think it. Guys, we're just gonna. Please, just. Guys, I think I spend too much time on this. Alright, super rare. Please, can we get to the super rareness? Guys, this might take a long time. Please don't get mad at me. It's just taking such a long time. I'm sorry. This is our first actual good super rare. I don't know what she does. She's actually a new character to me. Might be part of a new update. You never know, guys. You never know, do you? Anyway, we go to equip. How much is she worth? Also, yeah, guys, I upgraded my normal cat to a macho cat. Super rare. Ooh, it costs 19. No, it's not worth it, guys. It's not worth it. Guys. Yeah, we're gonna actually go to battle. And cats in the box, I just had to use my cat food. Didn't feel like I was using enough. Hey, get rid of this. We're going to France. Okay, guys. Macho cat. Should I spawn in? Yeah. Oh, we're going up against the Eiffel Tower. That's nothing new. Anyway, guys, I'm saving up. No, what if? We're winning this thing! Guys, we should probably do loads of headphone warnings, so yeah. Not this one, though. That wasn't a headphone warning, okay? Sorry for the weird things my microphone's doing. I don't know why. Maybe it's too close to my mouth. Yeah, it's definitely good. Guys, I'll be saving up for cats in the box. They're really good with Titan Cat. Trust me, guys. No! You're not just beating it by yourself, are you? Hey, later. Hello there. How's your finest soup? Great. Sorry, guys. Bad joke. How's your soup going? Soup? I don't get it. Me either. Yeah, guys, do you get it? No, we don't, James. Well, okay then. Great thing. Great talk. Yeah, great talk. You're nonsense. You're getting nonsense. We just wanted to ask you, please go away. Not you guys. You guys are allowed to stay. I meant these enemies. They're just like a really They're just a pain. I love making videos like YouTube. I love you guys. Okay, let's just get those in. I've always wanted to know who sussed a cat. Sir Seal. Sir Seal's here. Sir Seal, please stop with your shenanigans. Sir Seal, no! We need the cow. Yeah, we need a cow. Could you ever believe that? We need a cow. Ha! Funny joke. It's not really a joke, guys. I don't think it's a joke because it's not. Alright, guys. Sir Seal needs to be defeated. We need a Titan cat, guys. We need a Titan cat. Please, Titan cat. Alright, we're gonna have to. You do a lot of damage, don't you? Nice. You brought out Angry Cat. Who's Angry Cat? I don't really know, actually. Sir Seal has been defeated. I just love it for these cats. Will you marry me, please, this one? Actually, don't. Dude, I hate the Sir Seals. Sir Seals are the worst. Sir Seal, if you're watching, you are the absolute worst. Why does anyone like you, Sir Seal? You're just... No. I hope that hurt Sir Seal's feelings. I like hurting his feelings. He's hurting my feelings, so why shouldn't I hurt him? Dude, we're just overpowered. We're OP. We're OP! I am... Hey, I'm the boss of the Battle Cats. We are losing! Fair and square. Oh, that makes absolutely sense. I'm trying to make no sense, but it's very hard if you've got one gorilla guy trying to chase you, you know. You know how it is with gorillas chasing you. No? Guys, you don't? That's mean, Sir Seal. Sir Seal shouldn't exist. Did you say, Sir Seal? I think I can help you with that. Get the ultimate James cat for more luck. I mean, James and Buddy Adventures. Can't forget Buddy. Haha. Yeah, I'm gonna stop with that now. Okay. Titan Cat! You are the best, Titan Cat. I want to marry and we'll have a nice date and... No? Oh man. Yep. Screw that. We're not really guys. Me and Titan Cat are known to be best friends. You do 500 damage, is that right? Thanks. Thanks for the XP, I guess. Gee. Guys, I can't wait to get this guy to mythical. I can't wait to get this guy to Dragon Cat. No, I didn't want to buy XP. Please don't make me buy XP. Okay. Guys, we won't do much upgrading, okay? We won that. Ooh, Germany. I can tell me and Germany are going to be worst friends. Duh, 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 duh. Germany. What are those things called again? Who cares? Yeah. Not really, guys. These dogs things. Hey, what's the first enemy that spawns? Of course it has to be a dog. These dogs. They don't look like dogs. They do, but just square dogs. Minecraft dogs. There's a car outside my house. Man, that's scary. I don't know what time it is right now. What's the time? Oh, we don't have a clock in here. Yeah, guys, this is a picture of Battle Cats. Okay, I'll stop showing you. My glorious. Actually, it's not glorious. I think it's stupid. Piece of art. Ha ha. Very funny. Madame Cat? Madame Sumo? Destroy this alligator guy. What's his name? Crocky? Yeah, hi Crocky. I should probably get some hungry hippos. I should probably bring my hungry. We need the box. Why on earth would we need a banana box? I hope that these guys turn into the amazing cat gang. Oh, stop it. We're here to help. No, you're the world. No, we're not. Yeah, you're right. You mean everything to me. There's a seal in this level then, yeah. Penguin is going down. Just deal with that. We don't like penguins, do we, guys? They're just, yeah. Anyways. What's his name, Pengo? Yeah. Would you bring in the fish cat with me, sir? Yeah, probably. Yes. I'm scared. There's probably a car outside. Is that coughing? Hopefully you guys can't hear the coughing. But it's got a cough. Oops. The microphone. I told you. Okay, microphone. So that's how you want to play it, huh? Yeah. Hopefully we have enough. Do we have enough energy? Oh, dude. Denmark. Clear. Oh, dude. Thanks. There's loads of things going on in my house right now. Just going to ignore it though. I really want a rocket cat right now. Enemy guide. Guys, we're not going to look at all of these enemies. We're just going to look at Snake. Henry Stickmin. They should be Henry Stickmin. Good job on naming this. Hippo. A dangerous hippo. You know what now. No, we're not reading this. Red Piggy. Red. Jackapeng. Oh, is that how you say it? Gory. Bar. Sir Seal. Red. Came to the big city from the Croco. His name was like something like Croco or Crocky. Oh, I have loads of XP. Oh, thanks for the XP, dude. I don't appreciate it. Okay, I'll probably stop it there now. Who's Motto Cat? They've got more health than me. That's not fair. Oh, I'm upgrading my health. No, not my health. Your health. No, not your health. My cat health. Get a sumo cat in there and you'll win forever. If we lose, I'm gonna go hopping around the room. Yeah. Screaming. I'll be hopping around the room screaming. I hope that's good entertainment for you guys. No, I do have this thought guy, but we're just firing the cannons. You know, just with the firing cannons. No more David Demon, should I say? Ooh, yeah. Okay, you can stop that now. Okay. Guys, can you see me over here? Whoopsies. I don't call you. Please forgive me for calling you. Don't really. You, yeah. As you can see, this is God. This figure at the top. God! I can't see my mouse. Never mind. Titan Cat. You know what works best with Titan Cat? I once said to my father, cats in a box. Oh, dude. Fire. What's this elephant's name? Dee. The third. I'm using you. I've seen this before. Guys, don't think me crazy, but he is an elephant. Guys, if I have to, I'll run around the room like crazy. Trust me, guys, it's good entertainment, I promise. Sure. Hi, other YouTubers out there. I like your videos. Man, my Titan cat died at the same time as that stupid elephant. Yeah, you're a stupid elephant. Who's the stupid elephant? You're a stupid elephant. That's not what you say, guys, is it? Now, remember, guys, if you see an elephant, go up to it and say, you tried to beat Titan cat, cats in a box, and lizard cat? And I'll be like, oh yeah, if I do say so myself. That was quite funny, that thing. Guys, if we lose, or if we win or lose, I'm gonna go running across my room, like screaming. Okay. How much stickman? Get out my way. We need this guy. If you say it's not fair, Denmark, well, you're wrong. It's fair for me because this fight is taking so long. Oh, done headphone warning. Headphone warning!